Welcome to the video on the 7 Rules of Procedure, brought to you by the World Affairs Council of Austin, Legal Studies Division. This video will focus on what judges should look for when applying the 7 Rules of Procedure. The purpose of these rules is to ensure fairness and clarity, maintain ICJ-aligned procedure, protect hearing integrity, and guide counsel and the panel. Rule 1 is strict time allocation. It dictates a 30-minute allocation for the claimant, which is absolute and non-extendable. There are no clock pauses, and counsel must utilize a precise argument structure. The rationale for Rule 1 is to mirror ICJ best practices and provide disciplined advocacy training. It also serves as an equal treatment mandate. Rule 2 is focus of inquiry. Arguments must address the specific legal status of Artsakh and remain strictly on evidence admissible under the Genocide Convention. Extraneous political or historical claims are prohibited. The rationale for Rule 2 includes legal focus maintenance, preventing narrative drift, and upholding evidentiary integrity. Rule 3 introduces the standard of plausibility. The claimant has a limited burden of proof and must demonstrate that claims are legally and factually plausible, supported by credible factual evidence. This threshold aligns with ICJ admissibility standards. Rationale for Rule 3. It maintains a procedural versus merits distinction. It acts as jurisdictional gatekeeping and serves as a pedagogical framework. Rule 4 covers admissibility of evidence. Evidence must relate to Artsakh's legal status, and temporal jurisdiction is limited to the respondent's actions from September 2023 to the present. All submitted evidence must meet a standard of quality, proving authentic, relevant, and material. The rationale for Rule 4 is to focus on relevant scope, ensure evidentiary discipline, and provide professional training in ICJ-style evidentiary limits. Rule 5 mandates judicial impartiality. Judges must seek clarification only, maintain a neutral perspective, and ground all inquiries in the ICJ statute. Mandatory neutrality is required for all bench members. Rationale for Rule 5 reinforces judicial professionalism and prevents bias or influence. It also models real-world adjudication standards. Rule 6 is non-interference by respondent. The respondent holds observer status only, is prohibited from oral arguments, and may not enter written submissions or challenge evidence during today's session. The rationale for Rule 6 is the claimant-only focus to streamline initial proceedings, mirror ICJ provisional measures practice, and ensure procedural fairness and clarity. Rule 7 addresses the finality of recommendation. The panel conducts private deliberations to ensure impartial judgment, determines whether the legal plausibility threshold has been met, and elevates the final bench decision, which is binding and final. Appeals within the simulation framework are strictly prohibited. The rationale for Rule 7 ensures procedural closure and certainty. It mirrors ICJ deliberation practices and has a pedagogical focus on teaching the legal concept of finality. The combined effect of these rules establishes a structured legal environment and ensures fairness and discipline. This provides authentic training by mirroring real-world International Court of Justice standards. Expectations for counsel include precision in argument, maintaining logical rigor, and clear articulation of legal theories. Counsel must also adhere strictly to established facts and evidence and demonstrate professional conduct by respecting time limits and courtroom decorum. Remember that procedure protects truth, and truth protects justice. Systematic procedures ensure foundational integrity and protected discovery, making the path to justice clear.